lashes. Guys, I'm so excited. If you haven't watched my other videos, you should go check those out first. I'm doing this series to having these short videos. Hopefully they're short. I don't know, I haven't edited them yet. It might be like 20 hours, but anyways, I'm trying to have these shorter videos so you can just click one video and get a sense of how to do that one skill and then go into the next, the next. So we're gonna be doing our lashes. I'm gonna show you how I apply lashes. So one thing I do want to mention, I have a new favorite mascara. I never thought I would be saying this. I've been using the Maybelline volumizing lash, I can't even remember what it's called, the Colossal Volume Express Dodoy. But yeah, so I've been using this guy in like the 9 times volume. I've been using him for years. But Tati, my favorite makeup guru YouTuber out there, she's awesome, go check her out. But she recommended the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. This stuff is awesome. It's better than this one. It's good. And this is just in the black, it's in the blackest black. Great color name. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is curl my lashes. This isn't a crucial step, it's just something that you can do if you want, but you can just curl your lashes here. Alright, so these are the lashes. And how I like to apply lashes is you can take any glue really. This one is white and it dries down to clear. I think I want to get one that dries to, or it's black. And then I have this little tool thing and it's got sort of like a clampy side and a pushy side. Some people like to take the lash off and put the glue on the band. I personally like putting it onto like the tray here and dragging the lash into the glue itself. So there's multiple ways to do this. The biggest thing is you want to make it tacky, so you want to let the glue dry down a little bit before you put it onto the lash. So I'm gonna leave it there for, I don't know, like 30 seconds, make it a little tacky. And then also a big tip for lashes is you don't wanna put too much glue on, because if there's too much, it just becomes super messy and it ruins your lashes too. So those are never good. So I'm just gonna take these off the tray, hopefully not ruin them. Okay, well they come off the tray very nicely. So that was really easy. One thing you wanna do is you just wanna kinda put it on your lashes before you put the glue on, just to see if you need to cut it. How you can do this is take the inner corner, put it in the inner corner of your eye. Okay, so that's kind of how it would look. This guy won't stay down. So I'm actually not gonna cut them. I think once I finally got them in place, they seemed like they would fit. So I think I'm gonna just keep them how they are, and yeah, just apply these lashes. If you were to cut the lashes, do what I was doing. Put it on your lash before, see if they're too big, and then if you were to cut them, don't cut them on the inner corner because this is smaller than this part. You want to cut the outside off first. You want to have the smaller part on the inner corner, and it doesn't matter about the outer part of the lash. It can be bigger or smaller, it's fine. But yeah, so just basically cut the outer part of the lash if you are going to cut it, and not the inner. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take my little clampy tool here and just clamp down the lashes just to get a good hold, and we're gonna drag this into the glue. I kind of just go like boop, boop, boop. Make sure it's coated. We don't want too much, but also we don't want not enough. And then I like to make sure that either end has a good amount. Notice how much glue is left. You don't need that much glue. I put way too much out on my tray here. The glue's been sitting out a while, so we don't need to have it get too tacky, but you can kind of like this. And tacky just makes it stick better. When it dries down is when it sticks. When it's wet, it doesn't really stick. I think that's kind of, it's glue, so if you know how glue works, then you probably understand. So we are going to line up the inner corner of the eye with the eyelash and tilt it up a little to go over my eyelashes and line up the middle part. Put the middle part of the lash down, and then you're gonna pat it down a little bit, and then we're gonna take the inner corner, line that up, and stick that down, and then pat it down a little bit. Take the outer corner, drag it down. You want to keep doing this until it's on your eye. And that's pretty much how you do it. So now you're just gonna let that dry. If you see any white spots, that's gonna dry clear, so no worries about that. All right, now that we have our lashes on, I'm going to go in with the mascara here and put this on the bottom lashes. Alright guys, so that is how I do my lashes. If you like this video, make sure and give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I hope you liked this video. So my next video is going to be lips, and that is going to be the last video of this series. Go watch that if you haven't already. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!